If you visit Branson, Missouri, one place you will hear about repeatedly as a must-stop is the Top of the Rock Resort in nearby Ridgedale, Missouri. Top of the Rock is the brainchild of Johnny Morris, Missouri's richest man and creator of Bass Pro Shops. Top of the Rock can be one of the most expensive days of your vacation if you're not careful. So in this video, I'll give you my money-saving tips as we deep dive into the best values at Top of the Rock Resort. And I'll also touch on one thing to avoid if you are on a tight budget. Stay with me, this one's going to be a hoot. When you arrive at Top of the Rock, you'll pay $10 a carload for parking, and then you'll arrive at the Welcome Center. This is where you'll purchase your tickets for the Lost Canyon Cave and Nature Trail, which includes the Ancient Ozark History Museum, which is approximately $45 per person, but they do offer military and senior discounts, so be sure and ask about those as well. Or if you're just looking to check out the place, hop on the shuttle and head over to the free Sunset Celebration. The only fee is the $10 to enter Top of the Rock. After that, you take the free shuttle to the Sunset Celebration. Come down, have a soda pop, and enjoy this beautiful sunset.
I can get used to this.
You think? Okay, Ray got the crab cake.
Seared crab cake.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Delicious as it is, the food can be quite expensive at any of the restaurants at Top of the Rock. So my suggestion, if you're on a budget, eat before you come. Today we're out at Top of the Rock and we are going to go see the Ancient Ozark Heritage Museum. The Ancient Ozarks Natural History Museum is one of the best values you will find in the Branson area. It's only $12 if you just do the museum. Now, for $45, you can do the golf cart tour and the museum, or you can add in Dogwood Canyon for only $5 more. So they have several different packages. If you enjoy history as much as I do, the Ancient Ozark History Museum is my pick for the best value out at Top of the Rock.
Well, there you go. Step right up there.
Upon entering the museum, we were greeted by this giant woolly mammoth. And the woolly mammoth was only one of the amazing ancient creatures that we saw. This giant sloth is the size of a buffalo. It's hard to believe that these giant creatures once roamed the Ozarks right here in Missouri. The part of the museum that I found the most fascinating was the Native American displays. I found it hard to believe that this much has survived for so long, and this is only one museum. The arrowheads alone went on for room after room, and then we get to the real artifacts. Tools and resources representing every part of early Native American life. It was fascinating. Let's check out a couple more extinct creatures that once roamed these Ozark Mountains. The 8-foot Titanus wallery looks like it came right out of the movie Avatar. But my favorite has got to be the Missouri giant beaver. I mean, imagine coming across this guy. That is one big beaver. From peace pipes to musical instruments to my favorite, actual canoes. This was really special to me, considering that the word Missouri actually means long wooden boat people. It's no wonder there's so many paddlers in Missouri. With the Native American artistry and culture on full display, This was a very moving experience for me. After only a few minutes of walking through the museum, you realize that the Native Americans didn't just survive, they thrived. They had community, they had family, they have art, spirituality. They had everything you need for a fulfilling, happy life, which is why this is such an American tragedy. The overwhelming feeling was that I was at some sort of memorial. Their pride and spirituality is self evident. Some of the artwork was so realistic, I almost thought it was moving at times. I'll try not to talk as much and let you enjoy the museum just the way I saw it. Enjoy. Look at these musical instruments. Peace pipes. Look it up.
Okay, so there's a shell. But look at all those shells they had to go find. All right, kids. Well,
Yeah, go find some shells.
today is Shell Discovery Day. With dangling in.
All right, let's go see the papooses.
This is all the papoose. Well,
If your kid has family checks.
Look at all these papooses. What do you think?
oh, it's beautiful. It is a fantastic museum.
Bow and arrows. Yeah. Horsehide coat. Coyote. Okay, now we're getting into my favorite part, the Buffalo Bill display. If you guys have ever heard of the Buffalo Bill Wild West show, you got to come to this museum. They've got an amazing collection of original artifacts from the show. I actually did my senior theme on Buffalo Bill. Here's another Wild West show called Tompkins. So if you ever wondered just how big Buffalo Bill's Wild West show was, take a look at this picture. Buffalo Bill's satchel. Here are spurs that were actually made for Buffalo Bill. William Cody. And now we are getting into the Wild West and of course, gambling. All right, we're going to go check out Lincoln's Empire Desk. Here it is. Look at these political pins for Abraham Lincoln. And here are the cannons. There's absolutely no way to show you everything in this museum on a video. I've been here 3 times and I still see things I've not seen before. So you must come in person if you want to experience this museum. '61 cannon. Look how big that thing is. And that's 1860s. Drum and bugles.
give it to the wife or different family members.
Huh.
And this is 1779.
Gosh, and it's still preserved? Well, it's an army frog.
Maybe that's not his coat.
But it is from...
Now here's a lock of hair of President Abraham Lincoln.
You guessed it. Lincoln's hair. This is a literal mountain of buffalo skulls.
Yeah, we're on an incline, folks, and we have people behind us.
That'll be fun. Okay, Michelle and I are on the Lost Canyon, and it's raining. So this is a rain-filled Lost Canyon.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen our video on Lost Canyon, be sure and check out these videos. Friends, if you'd like to see more about the Lost Canyon Cave Tour, I have 2 videos on that. I have an entire video on the Sunset Celebration, and I have an entire Johnny Morris playlist. So check the description for more incredible links about Top of the Rock. I'll catch you clowns on the rebound. Enjoy.